Here's our third round from Sprint 3. As you can see, both of our mechanisms activate. Our 4-bar goes out to the center to collect Bowsy, and our PVC telescoping pipes lift Poe up. However, we did not score very many points on this run in particular.
So for Sprint 3, we really focused on the Poe mechanism as well as the Bowsy collection mechanism. We have something set up to collect the correct Dragon Scroll, but we ended up not using that for this sprint. So we were able to lift Poe to the first kind of 2 feet level distance using these PVC telescoping pipes, and we've also drilled some holes in here to make it more lightweight so it's easier for the motor that's powering it to lift it higher. The motor here is attached with this motor mount. Additionally, there's this little hook contraption that goes around Poe and holds him upside down so that he can attach to the bottom of the Jade Palace. Also, we have these little caps here to fill in kind of the spaces between each telescoping tube so that there's less kind of rattling around and it's more stable. And then we have it at this angle here so that we're able to reach the top of the Jade Palace courtyard. Then additionally, we have this Bowsy collection 4-bar that has this scoop attached that collects the Bowsy and funnels them down with this slide into the home zone bowl. You see this 4-bar here is powered by a pneumatic piston. So this tank is filled up and then the release of the piston powers this 4-bar forward to the centerpiece. Additionally, we have the Dragon Scroll sensor, cutout sensor attached, but that was not used for the sprint.
Okay, so this video is round 2 of Sprint 3. It shows our 2 mechanisms that we made work. So what was good in this sprint was that the Poe telescoping tube lifted Poe up to the second section, but what didn't go well was the 4-bar didn't extend all the way through. This resulted in no Bowsy points, and even though we got points for Poe, we did have 2 other mechanisms in the works for Tai Lung and our Dragon Scroll, but those were neither fully tested or complete in order to attach for this sprint, so we did not use them, which resulted in less points for us and are not as great performance, but overall it went well.
All right, whenever you are ready.
Okay, so our current idea for updating after Sprint 3 is to double the 4-bar for stability, and we're going to keep a similar scoop and slide design, and we are hopefully going to reuse our Dragon Scroll design and just improve the switch activation. We have come up with a new idea to position the telescoping cylinder. This CAD is a rough draft and it's not up to our current ideas, but I think the biggest difficulties we're going to face is going to be space constraints with doubling the 4-bar, along with stability of keeping the 2 4-bars aligned and really structural support between them.
Whatever.
Here's our current Dragon Scroll design. We're going to improve this by modifying the switch placement and extending it. How it currently works is the switch height will be changed for each tab position, and as it rotates, the tab will trigger the switch, which then rotates this hook with the motor to scoop the Dragon Scroll out of the zone.